All right, Mopar fans, you are looking at a real deal K2 Vitamin C 1970 Plymouth Duster. This is the first year for the Plymouth Duster, and Plymouth introduced it as its new sport model to replace the Barracuda, which moved off the A-body line and went to a whole new platform on the E-bodies, like the Cuda. So the fastback Barracudas were removed off the A-body line, and what its replacement was like a quick fastback, semi-fastback design that you're looking at, based on the Valiant. And this one is a 340 car. It's a 4-speed. And when the owner out in California, this car is from the Los Angeles area. It's a California emissions car. When the owner out in Los Angeles restored the car, he added factory air, and it was really an interesting story. His name is Rodney, and very fascinating man, and very technically minded, evidently, because what he did is he found an air car and he measured where all the lines go through, and with a hole saw, he carefully put the lines in for the air. And I'm gonna open this up, take a look. That's what confused me when I got the car. I thought it was maybe a rebody or something, And then when I finally bought the car, I talked to Rodney, and that's what he did. He put in all these lines. He had a setup from a different car, a complete factory setup, and then what I did is I went ahead and the condenser was shot. So I put a new condenser in, and the air was running until one of the hoses let go. But, that's old factory air. That's what happens. This is overflow tank for the radiator. And the reason why I leave that on there is because it has air. It's better to let it go back and forth. It cools better. It does have a torque fan on it. As you can see, the engine has headers. And just the guy did a phenomenal job. And so you have an original Vitamin C orange 340 4-speed. Most of these Dusters were 318s. As a side note, you'll see right over there, I got some factory manifolds from a friend of mine named Steve. He had them for sale. So in the future, those headers will probably come off and we'll go back to factory manifolds. But yeah, it's got the rally dash, the 4-speed. He has a Hurst shifter T-handle on it. And but anyway, just a super nice car. Very well done. The paint and body is incredible. And underneath the car, it looks just like the top. We'll take a look here in a minute. Yeah, so you take a look under there. Yep. Beautiful work. Right from Los Angeles, California. And then here's the greatest thing. The Duster Tornado. They were going to use the Tasmanian Devil from Warner Brothers, just like they were going to use, like they used the Roadrunner. So they tried to do a deal, but they couldn't get together. So Plymouth Styling came up with this, their own. They didn't have to borrow from Warner Brothers or pay them, and they came up with their own Tornado Dust Trail, or whatever you call it. So anyway, take a look in here. You can tell it's California emissions because you see that right there. That's your vapor canister. They really, really did a nice job on this car, man. It is just beautiful. And here's a info board I had made. Real K2 Vitamin C Orange. That color cost you extra money when you ordered it. It's one of the high impact colors. Chrysler had 11 high impact colors. This one was for 70, and I think it was 70 only, Vitamin C Orange. Had a lot of yellow in it, and that's why you have that crazy orange yellow color. And I took it up to Don Garlett's in 2024 last year, and it got second place. And the guy that beat me out had a Sassy Grass Green 71 Demon, and it was pretty fair and square. I mean, I looked at both cars. It was like a toss-up, but he beat me fair and square. I mean, the car was beautiful, but this thing is too. It's done in every way. I mean, just take a look at this. You can recognize the workmanship on these things. And you know, these were economy cars. They were very enigmatic. Most people don't even consider a Duster a muscle car because a predominantly great number of them were 6 cylinders and 318 2 barrels, like passenger cars. But these ones that had these crazy colors, and then if they were outfitted with the 340, that clearly made them a muscle car, because the 340 was conservatively rated at 275 horsepower. It was more like 3 to 320 in a light little 3,300 pound car like this, and they got down the track pretty good, and they ripped up a lot of big blocks out on the street. So there you have it. This is Gauze Garage with a real K2 Vitamin C Orange 340 Duster with factory air conditioning added at the restoration, and it's in Vitamin C Orange. Thank you.